Hello everyone, this is Abarca. Today I'm going to show you what's inside my Becue case. I'm a player for the Becue family and I would like to show you my equipment. I have a towel to clean my cues when I'm done playing. This is a soft case, black and red, but it also comes in black and blue. My playing cue, this is the Rebel Green, customized weight at 18.4, but it comes standard 18.5 and 19 ounces with a Becue customized joint protector. My playing shaft, the Engage, which are the latest ones on the market for Becue, 11.8 with a Becue soft tip. I also have the Engage 12.3 with a core Becue soft tip and a Prime M 12.5 with a soft tip. My next cue is the Naked Breaker standard weight 18.5 with the breaker shaft. My third cue is the jumper, the Naked Jumper with the jumper shaft. Comes with a hard leather tip about 9.9 ounces. You can leave it together for really long jumps, or you can take apart and use this one for shorter jumps. I also have an extension for the back of the cue. There's times when you cannot reach the whole length of the table, so we use this. You can leave it as 10 inches, or take apart, use a 3-inch or the 7-inch. I also have the Becue mid extension. This is in between the player butt and the shaft. This one comes in 3 inches, but it also comes in 4 inches. The Leonardo weight system, this is to change the weight for the playing cue or the breaker. Some Becue wipes, this is to clean the shafts. Becue white gloves. Let me add that on the playing cue and other shafts, same thing with the breaker. These are all standard at 29 inches, but the playing cue with the shafts also come available 29, 30, 31. That is all. Thank you for watching.